I generated these images with DCGAN on my computer. What is a DCGAN? Well, first, a GAN is a generative adversarial network. You could think of this as just two machine learning models where they compete against each other. One of them is generating synthetic data like images, and the other is trying to discriminate the difference between this fake data and its training data. I chose to do a GAN project for a few reasons. The first is like all of the applications there are. GANs are used in drug discovery, GANs are used in image generation and upscaling, GANs are used in like video game development, they're used in whatever, they're used in any kind of data synthesis. I'll give you this analogy to try and understand GANs better. A generator, in this case, is somebody who's trying to make fake money, and the discriminator is somebody who's trying to tell apart the fake money from the real money. Now, both the generator and the discriminator want to get better at their jobs. When they start off, they suck at what they're doing. So what they do is they compete in rounds where the discriminator is fed a mix of real money and money created by the generator, and for each amount, for each sample, each batch, it guesses, like, does it think it's real, does it think it's false, or does it think it's fake? And then it also guesses in a percentage about how sure is it that it's either real or fake. And based on how right it was, a loss is calculated, which allows them to go back and tune their strategies. GANs are used in so many different areas because of how efficiently they're able to produce complex data. With that said, GANs do have issues. GANs are notoriously hard to train, they are very sensitive to their training parameters, and they are generally limited in the data that they can produce. I think we'll see GANs continue to be used far into the future. I was pretty intimidated before starting this project, but after I found the right resources, I realized that it wasn't going to be anywhere near as challenging as I thought it would be.
If you want to take a look at the code that I used to generate the images that I have, I put it on my personal website, and I'll tag below. I'll also link the tutorials I used for this. I'm training it right now, and let me just show you some of the images. Here's the progression from one of the models that I was training. You're actually going to see it destabilize at about step 120. What I mean by destabilize is that the image quality actually degenerates from training, which is an interesting thing that happens. And then these are real images for reference. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this valuable, check out my other socials linked down below and on my account, where I share more about my work in AI. See ya.